Hello traders, good morning. Final Monday of the year. It's my joy and honor to be with you. If you're joining us during holiday markets, you receive an extra month with video library access in our group of private mentoring course. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software projected on 5-minute chart. In today's class, I will be discussing with students how trading 5 minutes this year, you could have made hundreds of points. On retail chart, I'm projecting software on 5-minute chart. What does it show you? The importance of remembering your critical key target. Decision point 2, never ever to be ignored. Decision point 2, to be obeyed. How instantly long collapsed is no surprise, because if your critical key target present with bold red zone, you better expect this instant collapse. So when the price comes to the bold red zone, what does the intelligent trader do? Not buy the market at this level. This is not just retail brick wall. This is institutional profit taking we've been monitoring for the last few days. Sell-off and crash ended at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, where price skyrocketed, reminding you, do not create your own targets, do not speculate, do not gamble with your money. When you trade markets as strategic, intelligent, Alpha Fibonacci chess, you know where to enter, you know where to exit, even during the most challenging market conditions, as markets setting up for drastically more challenging year for retail traders who are using delayed indicators. What is the problem with this chart? We're stuck in retail chop. We discussed with my traders. Bullish rally unstoppable, and if we're not seeing profit taking, it's a problem. Price always moves one step at a time. To the upside, we would love to see selling pressure. All of this identified hours and days in advance. Without pullback, market will be extremely challenging to trade. If I convert this chart to 5 to 10 to any chart you choose to trade, this is a market. I'm taking you back to a day before. Why don't we do a few days before the weekend? Friday 15th, my goodness. Look how brutal this is. You knew quite well profit taking at this level is a gift. I am converting this chart to before Friday, when we are in the trading room and in class. This is key level to the upside. We're discussing remains non-stop. This is a retail brick wall this morning. 5 days later, it remains intact. Profit taking at this level is a gift for intelligent trader. Retail correction remain in a play. What is the best case scenario? Pain. Without sell-off and crash, this market requires ultimate knowledge of pure price. This is how you preserve your time. This is how you use your limitless brain. By not babysitting the markets, but trading the markets at critical key levels. What is this chart telling me? As multiple news outlets calling this the biggest rally in 40 years, during the worst catastrophic events. Have you been shorting the market since October 23rd? Or have you been using your limitless brain and buying pullbacks, which is exactly what we've been discussing with students in every class. Vicious sell-off of September reaches the critical key institutional buy point. Global events getting worse. but market is bought with vengeance. 3 weeks after the start of the Middle East war. Those who short near this level know nothing about price, have a lot to learn. You're riding institutional power. Trading is a bliss. It's easy to buy the market when institutions taking positions. By mid of November, bullish rally continues with vengeance. Billions of dollars along, not taking millions off the table. No profit taking whatsoever creates ultimate challenge for indicator gambler, for price action trader and trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system. The sky's the limit. During the most challenging market conditions, intelligent trader knows what causes the problem. This was a gift. This was spectacular. This was breathtaking. Ultimate precision. None of this exists this morning. None. This morning market in chop. This morning market in pain. Intelligent trader knows this. It's a crawl. Price is stuck. Conservative trades do not exist. Institutional traders adding to their longs. It's ultimate challenge for gamblers. For intelligent strategic trader who trades Alpha Fibonacci system, there is only one intelligent option. Walk away. Do not gamble with your money. It's extremely dangerous market on every single chart. And you know this far in advance. We need sell-off, we need the crash. But we identified these levels days in advance. After this level to follow. After this level, non-stop. But where to enter and exit your position, you must know the rules. That's it. And that's what we identified as breathtaking institutional rally. Days, weeks, and months ahead. And that's the reason system traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Institutional rally in pain, but institutional traders not taking profits off the table. That will create ultimate challenge for retail traders this morning. Sell-off and crash is a beautiful news. Junky chop is not. And that's how you prepare for your trade each and every day. You do not trade the weakness. You do not trade the chop. You do not buy quadruple brick wall to the upside. You using your limitless brain and trade only the power, never the weakness. Retail junky chop remains. We will go to the left class next. So if you're joining us, it's the smartest thing you have ever done. Because 2024 will challenge indicator gamblers to the core. If institutions keep holding positions, if institutions not taking profits off the table, market will be extremely challenging to trade. This plays out 80+% of the time. Institutional traders in phenomenal profits. Biggest rally in 40 years, despite catastrophic event, is a stunning reminder. Use your limitless brain and be greedy when others are fearful. That's how you become successful. And that's simplicity and purity of Alpha Fibonacci system during spectacular, breathtaking bullish rally. that you knew to buy far in advance, at the bottom. You are making an effort, you are prepared weeks and even months in advance. You know where institutions will place multi-million-dollar orders, despite catastrophic global events. Market this morning no longer at 4,200 level. Market in completely different place. That requires ultimate knowledge of price action to trade. That's it. And if you understand when to walk away, and there is no profit taking this morning, nothing here to do. That's it. Sell-off and serious profit taking is a beautiful news. If not, do not gamble with your money. Do not pay for brokers' Christmas vacations. Do not ever trade the weakness, only the power. And that's what we discuss in every class. And that's a test retail trader must pass every single day. Nothing here to do. Walk away. So if institutional traders will keep adding to their longs, with Alpha Fibonacci system, you are safe. You are not losing money. You're not losing your mind. You're not gambling with markets. You know where power versus weakness is present. And that changes your trading forever. So if you're ready to become intelligent strategic trader, I look forward to working with you. If 14-year-old boy can do this, anyone can. It's an ultimate honor when Dominic's father, Andrew, hedge fund manager, who trades very different instruments than his son, bring his son to the course. If 14-year-old boy can do this when he's bored, anyone can. But his father trades completely different instruments on platforms I never heard of, using Alpha Fibonacci system, while his son prefers software for NinjaTrader 8. You decide what instrument and what time frame you want to trade. You can always join us in the trading room where you can ask questions. But when you view movie on the website about Fibonacci Trading Institute and you review everything in the detail, you understand clearly. System traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. Currently offering savings with $8,000 for private mentoring package. So when you view students' emails, you see clearly. Traders trading options. Richard retired trading options with Alpha Fibonacci system. This is his year-to-date return on options. But when you're looking at Theo's performance, he's trading futures, he's trading commodities, he's trading stocks. He's trading everything. Simply review all underperformance. And that's every single trader makes intelligent decision what instrument appropriate for trader to trade. Husband bringing his wife to the course. Jennifer trading Nasdaq. Both Emmanuel and Jennifer full-time traders. All starts with separating junk from power, as we're discussing in live classes. So please review everything on the website and choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option. Group course, second option, savings $5,000. Every option includes over 300 live recorded videos of prior live recorded classes. All include day trading and position trading strategies. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. S&P remains stuck in junk. A whole lot of this next year. Only when you separate junk from power, you can become successful. Let's take a break, and if junk remains, we're off to the live class. And that, the most important part of your trading, and that how it changes forever. Trade the power. Do not trade the weakness. There is no power yet, but when power will play out, remember precise entry, stop and targets. And that's how you trade pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits that you can use on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Software is never, ever, ever a requirement. Any questions? Pick up the phone and call. I look forward to speaking with you.